This is probably the easiest tomato egg recipe. It's easy, simple, tasty, also a perfect dish for those who doesn't like the texture of tomato. Let's get into it. We begin by chopping the spring onions into smaller pieces. We separate the green and the white part. And this is the only chopping in this recipe. Crack eggs. Add a pinch of salt to add some flavor in the eggs. Gently whisk them together. If you use a stainless pan as I do, heat up the pan first. When you see water dances on the surface, turn off the heat, add oil, swirl the pan, let oil coat the pan. Turn the fire back to low, add the eggs. Gently move the egg. When the egg is almost set, we remove the egg. Add the white part of a spring onion. Cook over medium heat until fragrant. Now we add the chopped tomato. This is my lazy secret. Add the sugar to balance the sourness. A pinch of salt and the black pepper. We let it cook for about 5 minutes until all the flavors combine. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. Now we return the egg to the pan. Add the green part of the spring onions. Just quickly stir them a bit. The eggs are still tender. It's not very sour because I add sugar. If you want it to be more tomatoey, you can simply add more chopped tomato. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other cooking videos.